with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you'll never miss a single video. The company name is called vipvyong off of Amazon. This is a new company. They only have one wig on their website, and this is the wig that I'm reviewing today. 100% human hair, body wave, 150 density. This is what the packaging looks like. Cute little butterflies. When I open it up, I got a wig, 18 inches, $86, very affordable. I got this. This is a closure unit, not a frontal. This time. It comes with a net on it. This hair is cold. It's very soft. Not stiff. It has medium shedding. This is what the closure looks like. 4x4 closure. It comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. This is what the party section looks like. Very natural. No smell. Medium shedding. Pin it back. Put the back in the ponytail. Grab some alcohol. Make sure you wipe your forehead off before you put any adhesive on it, or it's not gonna work. Make sure you cut it zigzags so it can look natural. Now put your lace down and use your comb. Now take your hot comb and flatten this out.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading up.
Start to wrap the hair around the curling wand and let it sit on there for a little bit.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And there's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. See you again. got millions of reasons to let it all go.
None of you guys get high as me. Whoa, post my drip up daily.